Problem number 32. Match each equation to its graph. This is exponential graphs because we have a base raised to an exponent. Letter A, y equals 2 times 3 to the x. Let's go over a few things about letter A. To find the y-intercept, you plug 0 in for x, so 3 to the x power is always 1. Anything raised 3 to the 0 power, is always 1. 1 times 2 is 2, so I get 0, 2. My asymptote is always plus k. There is no k value here. There's no plus sign after the exponent. After the base to the exponent, there's no plus sign, so my asymptote is y equals 0. My base is greater than 1, so it's a growth. Now the only graphs that have growth are 2, 3, and 4. What graph only crosses the y-axis at 0, 2? And that graph is number 2. Let's go to letter B. Y equals 4 to the x plus 2. Let's find our y-intercept. I go to my calculator. I can go to turn the calculator on, clear it, go to y equals, press clear, type 4, caret, parentheses, x plus 2 parentheses. I can say zoom 6 and graph, and which graph looks like the graph would be number 4. I also can go to second graph, check to see when x is 0, what is y? Y is 16, so my y-intercept is 0, 16. I do not have a k value, so my asymptote is y equals 0. And my horizontal shift is 2 to the left because it's a plus 2, so I go to the left 2. Okay, graph C says y equals 4 to the x plus 2. I can plug it into the calculator, clear it, 4, caret, parentheses, x, parentheses. You need to finish the parentheses, then plus 2, because this is a k value. The 2 is a k value, not an h value. Zoom 6 and graph. Which graph looks like 2, 3, or 4? The graph is 3. To find the y-intercept, hit second graph. When x is 0, the y-intercept's 3. My asymptote is k. What is my k value? 2. Vertical shift is up 2, so the asymptote is y equals 2. It's graph 3. Last graph, letter D, y equals, parentheses, 1 divided by 3, end of parentheses, x to the negative 2. This is a decay graph, so what's the only graph that's a decay is letter I. But if we check on our calculator, y equals clear, parentheses, 1 divided by 3, parentheses, caret, parentheses, this minus 2 is h. You must put it in the parentheses. X minus 2. Zoom 6. Graph 1 matches with equation letter D. The y-intercept is 9. Anything raised to the 0 power is 1. And also 1 minus 2 is 1/3. It's a negative 2, so you flip the fraction, you get 9. The asymptote is 0 because I do not have a k value. It shifts to the right 2 places, and it's a decay.